Morning guys, welcome back to this vlog. So today is on Friday, the 2nd of December. First of all, happy new month, December. Here it is. I hope you guys are doing well. So as you can see, I'm home already. So today is my sister's graduation, so that is where I want to go. I'm actually so late, so I want to go. This is how I'm looking. I have this dress with a belt over here, so I'll show you the picture. I'll attach a photo here so that you guys can see my OOTD. So let's head over to the place. I don't want to be late. Unasikiaje? Sisema unasikiaje? Wewe, leta nikushikie.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
So you guys remember the oven, the Nunix electric oven that I got some time back? So that is what, here it is. That is actually what my sister is normally using to prepare this type of scones, and these are the ones that she actually sells them. So I can say that this oven has really helped in one way or the other, because I mean, at least we are able to get a few coins from it. So those are the scones, and you can see they look so nice. and she was actually applying after they've already baked. She applies, what is this called, margarine on top so that it looks that way. Yeah, so I wasn't able to like show you because there are few, so but they are really good. So guys, let me quickly show you some of the things I got from Jumia. I think this was on November. So the first item is these sandals. I got them and I have already wore them. Then the other thing is a phone cover. So I've been looking for a phone cover for my phone for long, so I decided to hop onto Jumia and I found this. So luckily it's in black, so yeah, it won't get dirty easily. The next item is something I am really excited about. It's it's a watch, guys. How cool or how beautiful is this watch? So I actually had a similar watch a while back, but it had a blue straps, but I decided to get this. I can't wait to wear this. This is so gorgeous. The next item is I finally got, okay, I haven't even tested this, but I finally got some a microphone. I almost said headphones. So I got a microphone. So I want to try and be using this on my vlogs so that the quality in 2023, you guys, I'm telling you we are coming for you. So 2023, I hope that the sound to my vlogs will be better than this year. Yep, so that's it. I only got a few stuff. So then I think this is the last thing. It's a phone holder or phone stand. Yeah, you see, I'm trying to I'm trying to really work on how my vlogs are going to be from the next year. So this is the stand I got. I know it's small, but yeah, I mean, it's a step towards success, you know. So yeah, this is the phone stand I got. So they had like in black and blue colors. So I decided, not black, red. They were red. So there was no black. So I decided to go with blue instead of red. So yeah, these are they are actually few. Yeah, so thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog.